on your skin. Cleansing oils are applied to dry skin and massaged in using circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the oil time to break down all the buildup on your skin. The oil is then wiped away with a damp washcloth. The second step involves using a water-based foaming cleanser or gel cleanser, which effectively rinses away any remaining oil, impurities, and makeup the oil cleanser may have missed. Foam cleansers contain surfactants that attract both water and oil, allowing them to draw out remaining dirt, oil, and makeup and emulsify it so it can be rinsed away with water. Foam cleansers are applied to wet skin and massaged in for 1 to 2 minutes before being rinsed off with warm water. Double cleansing ensures a more thorough clean without overstripping the skin of its natural oils. While oil cleansers can effectively remove makeup and impurities, they do not have the ability to fully rinse away from the skin like water-based cleansers. Using a water-based cleanser as a second step ensures that all oil cleanser and impurities have been properly washed away without leaving a filmy residue behind that can clog pores. The order of the two cleansers is also very important. Applying a foam cleanser first would not sufficiently remove heavy makeup, oils, and grime. It is better to use the oil cleanser to break down impurities first before washing away with a water-based foam cleanser. By double cleansing in this order, you're tackling the toughest impurities first before finishing with a deeper cleanse. Oil-based balms and cleansing oils are typically used both morning and night as the first step. In a double cleansing routine, while water-based foam or gel cleansers are used mainly at night before bed to provide a deeper cleanse. In the morning, a simple splash of water after using an oil cleanser may suffice depending on your skin's needs. Different formulas of cleansing oils and balms work best for certain skin types. For dry and mature skin prone to dehydration, opt for formulations with nourishing plant oils high in omega fatty acids that help maintain your skin barrier. For oily and acne-prone skin, choose lightweight gel or liquid cleansing oils containing salicylic acid or other acne medications to gently exfoliate pores while removing excess oils. Double cleansing has become an essential part of an effective daily skin care routine for many. Providing a thorough yet gentle cleanse that helps maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier and set the stage for optimal absorption of serums and moisturizers. With the right oil and foam cleansers for your specific skin type and needs, double cleansing can help improve texture, clarity, and tone over time by removing buildup that causes breakouts and premature aging. Start slow by introducing an oil cleanser and working up to the double cleanse at night, listening to your skin's feedback along the way. With consistency and the right products, double cleansing could be the game changer your skin care routine has been missing. Oil cleansing is considered the most effective way to remove waterproof makeup, sunscreen, and environmental pollutants from the skin. It helps dissolve oils and breaks the bonds between dirt particles and skin cells. Using a foam cleanser after an oil cleanser helps ensure that every last trace of oil, residue, and pollution is rinsed from the skin. This prevents clogged pores and breakouts. Double cleansing supports the skin's moisture barrier by removing debris and substances that can irritate and inflame the skin, while preserving healthy oils.